If you filed your LLC return and you're owing a lot of money, like, oh my gosh, there's no way in the world that I could pay that much money. I can't pay it today, and tomorrow is not looking good either. Then you're going to request an offer in compromise. You're going to fill out form 656. And this is where you're going to negotiate to pay a lot less of what you owe to compromise the entire tax. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you do your taxes and you owe IRS $30,000. You're like, oh my gosh, I can't pay that. There's no way I could pay it. I'm barely breaking even right now with my rent, my mortgage, my car payment, food, childcare. I can't pay that today, and I'm not even going to be able to pay it in 5 years, right? Go for the offer and compromise. This is where you say to IRS, I know I owe you that $30,000, that $20,000, that $10,000, whatever the amount is. But when you look at my financial picture, IRS, you can see I can't pay that. Would you be willing to take $5,000, $2,500, and would you be willing to take it in payments? That's right, you could do payments. Are you willing to take it in payments and that be the settle of the entire balance due?